Next roundabout, I would like you to take the third exit to your right towards Lower Darwin, please. Good. Well done. Where's your positioning might need to be a bit more. And what's the speed limit in this area? What speed are you doing right now?
12.
The M65 roundabout, when we were taking the third exit towards Lower Darwin. Obviously, for the safety, we don't really go that fast. But what is the speed limit overall in that? What is the maximum speed people can do in that roundabout? What do you know?
40.
40. Now, what speed you were traveling at? 12
Yeah.
miles. Now, was there any specific reason? For example, was there anybody in front of you, or where the traffic
No.
was going slow? No. So, what is the risk you have taken by going that much slow that time?
Someone could come fast.
Yeah.
Not
So
stop in time.
that's one risk. What about the traffic which is coming down the motorway?
Yeah.
When they see you that you're going that slow,
They'll
what
just
they
come
gonna
out.
stop or they just gonna come out?
Come out.
Because your car body behavior, what is the message or signal you're sending them?
Hesitation.
Hesitation. So there's so much risk involved of accidents. That means we're not really thinking about forward planning. So we need to think about it. Obviously, I'm not saying you have to do 40. What sort of a speed do you think you can do over there?
20.
20, 25? Yeah, whatever you feel you are in control. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay.